not going to stop coming out. They're exercising their First Amendment right.
Many people protest and let their voices be heard. Some health officials are concerned, though, over the impact that will have on the pandemic.
Just hours ago, state health leaders spoke out, encouraging the public to be vigilant and once again asking protesters throughout the state to be aware and get tested. Our Tina Terry joins us now live. Tina, you spoke with one of those protesters and local hospital officials about the latest trends.
Well, yeah, Elsa, in about an hour, protesters will gather right here in Mint Hill, weather permitting. They're passionate about their message, but they are also trying to heed the warning of health officials.
Some of the largest protests in the state of North Carolina have been right here in Charlotte. And Charlotte's NAACP president, Corinne Mack, has been there for many of them.
But they're not going to stop coming out. They're exercising their First Amendment right.
But state health officials have been concerned about the rise in COVID-19 cases and hospitalizations. They've been encouraging protesters to protect themselves. And Mack says the NAACP has been working to help.
We had two very, very large events. We were very intentional about ensuring that we had 2 face masks for everyone and hand sanitizer for everyone.
But Atrium Health Doctor Katie Pazzaretti says protesting is still risky.
Increased density, more people, more potential for A, exposure to an infection people, and B, longer, closer contact is certainly of concern.
She says Atrium has been monitoring the spike in cases locally and statewide.
We're within what we can handle from a hospital capacity standpoint. So obviously this is a constantly moving target that we're going to continue to watch very closely.
But she's joining in with state health officials asking the general public and people participating in protests to help prevent the spread and possibly save lives.
It's really important to remember that does carry some degree of risk, and to the extent possible trying to protect yourself in that setting because it is increased risk. And that may mean wearing a mask. It may mean trying to keep distance even within that group event.
And state health officials have encouraged people who are participating in these protests to get tested for COVID-19. And Mecklenburg County officials have said that if you go and say that you've participated in one of these protests, you will be allowed to take that test. Back to you.